Hey, how are you? I hope that you are great. Today I come in because I just finished to read this book. It was amazing all the knowledge that this can show you if you really pay attention. For us, we see our problems, we see our difficulties like they are so big that we can handle that. But we don't notice something really important. Sometimes this challenging is only the way that we think about this challenge. Let me explain. If you really feel that something is really important or really can change your life for a good path, why you don't take the action? In this moment is when your self-sabotage come to you, it trying to show different scenario, worse than the other, but it's only in your mind. Obviously, there are so many challenges in this life. For this reason, it's a life, but the people that holding you back is yourself when you start to put excuse before you started. In my case, you cannot imagine how many times I try to recall myself for this video. Yeah, I always say that, oh, if you I have say, a better camera, if you I have say, a better pronunciation. But this is the thing. I understood that the real situation was if you're doing that, I will feel vulnerable. Now that you are watching that, you can judge myself. Obviously, I am scared for that. For this reason, just when I finish, I started to do it because I want a success. I want to see what happened next. My case is record this video because with this, I will show to myself that I can do it. That no matter how, not only this can teach this book. In the sense, give a lot of example when you see that every person are person for the same or similar situation. The only thing is every person take different approach. If you feel fear, if you feel that no matter how you try, you will fail, let me tell you something. You never know until you do it. For this reason, the first thing that you have to do is go ahead and take action. I know maybe it's one simple advice that all the people give, but it's really important. For this reason, all the people repeat the same. You never know until you really try. So stop thinking because think without plan is no action. When you act, maybe you can feel, but at the same time, you can test yourself, you can test your knowledge. Only this with this data you can know what is the right path that you have to follow. Thank you for being that. This was an amazing book. I hope continue doing that.